Hello everyone! Today I'm going to unbox this beautiful iPhone 12 Pro Max. If you can see, the box is very nice. Okay, nicely sealed. This is iPhone 12 Pro Max Gold 512 gig. Okay, this is the day that StarHub just got it launched. So let's go! Show this, the box is here. Great matte looking box. Look at that. Wow. Let's open it. Wow. Oh, this is actually the gold color, so it looks very nice. It's very matte finishing. Okay, let's see what else. So this is the phone, this is the front screen. Okay, let's go to it in a moment. So we have the box inside. So if you know Apple 12, they don't really put the charger anymore. So they only give you this souvenir card. Okay, designed by Apple in California. The pin. Okay, some instruction manual. Okay, and the Apple sticker. Moving on to the next thing is the charger. So if you can see, this is a lightning cable and this is the USB-C Thunderbolt. Look at it. So you have to buy the charger with the Thunderbolt, then you go to lightning for your phone. So moving on to the phone, if you can see, this is the front screen, this is the back screen. Again, there's a 3 camera here. Very great finishing, matte reflective finishing. The side is the actual glossy finishing. Okay, you can see my thumbprint here, right? Both sides, same. Up here, down here, it's all the same. Okay, so in this sticker, they actually indicated that you have the side here, you have the mute noise button, the up volume button, the lower volume button, and also the power button at the side here. So they actually indicated what are these buttons for. So for new users, new Apple users, you can actually know what are these buttons for. So that's great. Wow! Look at this. Okay, you can have the camera here. If you can see camera here, and then everything is the same. It's the same. It's just that the design is so much like iPhone 4 and 5. The grip is great. I love it. Okay, so let's moving on to comparing the existing phones. Let's go. On the right side, there will be iPhone 12 Pro Max. This is the 11 Pro Max. So if you can see, the size is slightly bigger than the older generation. Kind of like this, just a little bit. The behind is still glossy finishing. It's like the 11 Pro Max. The green color that I have here, it's slightly bigger than the 11 Pro Max. So it's great. The screen is bigger. Of course, this is new. I have not opened the phone yet or turn it on. So let's move on to compare iPhone 10. So I have the 10 with me and the 12. If you could look at the size, it's so much bigger. 10 has the glossy finishing at the back, but this is matte finishing. It looks better because if you can see, there's a few fingerprint on it. Then let me compare by just doing this. Look at the size of both the phone. Is definitely longer and wider. It's a little bit bigger, but it's not very obvious, right? So if you want to upgrade from a 10 to 12, it's a huge improvement for you, which is great. You can try. Not too bad. Look at this. Look at this finishing. So pretty. Wow. So that sums up my introduction to the iPhone 12 Pro Max. So I hope you like it. Please, of course, subscribe to my channel, give a like, and then share my video as well. don't forget to always click the notification button. Yay!